Him ask me, so what kind of business I want to do? I'm tell him, say, I do a restaurant.
And famous, educated boy. Very educated. This man, you see here, he build roads and bridges. Cashy. See that knuckles I'm also feel me hard.
But anyways, girl, guess I'm comfortable now. It's the next month. I go on a vacation to Bahamas.
But it's him no one get pregnant. Two things slow and go on.
Can I eat that question?
No, be like that.
What kind of idiot question you ask me? You know, most can get girl pregnant in a protection. Protection is a 50-50 chance. Yes, it can happen. So what you try to say?
Oh, yes, that's true. Because when I used to go to school back in a grade 3, teacher used to tell me same thing to us what I tell me. Say.
Use a brain, man. Come now, what you afraid of?
Taking a one from start to finish is another banger. Maggy Films. You know, one and never two. Remember, my next channel, please subscribe to it. The link there in the description. Maggy Jam Ventures, whole lot of stuff will go on over there. See me? Subscribe.
Hi guys, you know it's your girl Nangel Shan and we represent for Maggy Films. And a movie here you call Jamal, like Dunce Jamal. Yeah. Please may I beg you know, if you watch it from start to finish, leave your thoughts in the comment sections. Hit the notification bell and subscribe and big up on yourself. Heart of love. I'm out.
Maggy Films.
Maggy.
I could be your alpha, I could be your Romeo. Tell them boys back up, I ain't going nowhere. I'ma for that back up, put it on your story so all your friends see it, everyone can see it. And we going and going and going, it's a good night. Baby, let it roll like the good times. Smoking and pouring, I'm focused on you, yeah. You can see it, everyone can see it.
And I bet everyone's looking. Yeah. Didn't take long, locked eyes when I walked into you. Feeling of your red cup. And we got the same thing, probably like the same things. Didn't speak a word, but you know what's up. That connection is what you crave. You prayed on something to change. Fucked over 1,000 times, think everyone's the same. But it's not the case right here, right now. The first sight shit is no joke.
I could be your alpha, I could be your Romeo. Tell them boys back up, I ain't going nowhere. I'ma for that back up, put it on your story so all your friends see it, everyone can see it. And we going and going and going.
B,
Yes, me.
come here there.
I'm so far. Me I wash out that plate and come here.
Alright. You never have to wash out the plate, you know, me did go wash all of them together.
Well, 2 minutes last me have to rinse out, you know, B. B, me I'll check pon the goat them and come back here.
Alright then, don't fly, you know. Me I'll wait back for you.
Awesome.
Lexi! Boy, you now fix a zinc fence. Bestie!
want to know with a Pinky? You don't know on your phone call again.
Me can't touch me on my face.
You can't call again. When since you start, Lexi, all of a sudden. Listen, and I say work. You have to call me.
Girl, the
Where
call
you
got
are?
stand off it, shut up.
Where
Anyways, I don't join me and come from girl because guess what? Me can't manage this here, so I just making wrap you up in a top and tie you up. So me can feel free.
Right.
So whenever me I come, me can come in a good spirit.
Okay.
Anyways, me could go in the house to talk, so we have business with talk.
No, not in my house, not anymore. Talk your so. Not my house can't hold you. Not again.
What do you mean by me can go in the house?
Remember, say me a big woman. Me have privacy. Me and your friend, but you are my house and a friend. And me and your friend. Me and my house and a friend.
So me call up a sudden me can go in the house. I want go on. No, you know just sitting there, man. I want really go on bestie.
What's so funny, Pinky?
Remember what's so funny? You see joke the pie. Come
Wait.
talk.
No.
What you mean by we can go in the house?
You just can't go in my house right now. You're police.
Okay.
You're warrant for in there.
Okay. Me catch a
girl
picture
come
now.
on me
Me catch a picture now. So true what Sasha there say.
So what Sasha say?
Okay, Sasha tell me say he see the man a coming with one big old bag. So and the man living now make we can go in the house.
Pinky, you come here for my business.
My friend move. Hey!
What is this a girl here?
No sir.
You know what? You know why good thing about no man no want live with you and you can't move in.
No man no want me. Me never tell us no man want me. No man no want me.
Every day you come on me yard with this man. Girl, left it place.
What you know? Lexi. So you go on.
I saw you live you with you. You don't want to ask me that.
Yo, I saw you live. Brother.
So, you don't want me to take you in?
I sugar that. Hey, don't touch me now, because we are busy to talk about. We are busy to talk about. We are busy to talk about. Where the man there? Where the man gone?
Go on.
You know what?
Go on.
Me I come go on me yard. Everything good, man.
Pinky, don't come back in here.
Everything good, man.
Don't come back in here. See me, you little girl from what you see.
Hey, girl. You can't tell me that. Not over my dead body, bride. Lexi, me so come.
I don't like a mix up, girl. One thing with me. 2 things for sure and 10 things for certain. Me dumb business with people business. How my business with I go call Sasha. Can you see? Me say, see no bun me see man. Yeah, hello. Sasha, me come fi ask you one little thing. Why me sound so aggressive? You soon know. So, Pinky come on me yard couple minutes ago. I tear down my front door. Fi looking at my house. Who am me there? Yeah. Say you see when man a moving in a me yard. What make you so enough? Eh? What you mean by you not tell Pinky that? And Pinky just left me yard and tell me say, yo, Sasha see so. You not see Pinky and tell Pinky that. Pinky a liar. We know who I lied. I'm not accuse a girl. I will Pinky say me a come with it now. Alright, you say you know sister. Me we know. Okay, have a nice day too. Oh Tada. Me call little mix up girl me have as friend. Cause you see Pinky I get pant up on my nerves, you know. Hello. Look how mix up little girl me have as friend. What make you stay so girl?
I want your girl. Where coming back?
You know what me call it for? You's a mix up little girl and you lie.
How me like it?
How you tell me say Sasha tell her say Mikey moving here?
Girl, I just left the yard. You could tell me anything else. Tell me I'm safe. Anyways, I'm tell her really and truly. Sasha never really tell me nothing out her mouth, you know. And somebody tell me, say, Sasha, say.
Pinky, first I did Sasha know what the woman say. You see, you look a girl, your mouth will put in a problem because you go bring, come and carry, go bring. You know what, come off of this. No, why me take you up as friend, boy. Say, little girl, what me have as friend? What is this? Cross is little girl. Every day, sir.
Listen, you too special to get overlooked. If you were first class, you'd get overbooked. Don't let them take away your shine, girl, you got me shook. Cause I can see the way you grind, that's a good look. She said she like my tattoos, I said I like them too. Do you got any tattoos?
I wonder if he can set up his cousin. Pam Pinky. Cause that girl is too free, you know. She wants somebody to occupy her time. She will do some mix up. Yeah. Me,
Yeah, babe.
come here, then.
Come inside of here.
Me no want come inside, come out here. So me need to talk to you. Important, come.
I know.
Yeah.
Well, I want.
Me want to say something to you, but me don't want you pray me wrong, you know, or me don't want you look for me now, yeah. Want you do a little favor for me. It gonna help me, you know, cause you know. But anyways, you see my friend named Pinky, the one that did see at the gate this and she said, "Hi, handsome."
Yeah, babe.
Me want you set her up on your cousin for me.
That time my short cousin and me always parried.
Mm-hmm.
What you really have said to me?
Please, a little, you know, please, me I beg you, please, cause my dream come true, you know. Me don't want a fear one to come true too, and she kinda like your cousin.
What you mean by say your dream come true after you not sleep? Oh.
Yeah, so you can drive for me, please.
Me would have to try link him and see what you up to. Me I wonder if you could have dial the number and me call him and chat to him.
Look, come on, you learn for use phone, babe. Him save as Mikey cousin.
But B, that's not a real name. A Marcus name.
And Mikey cousin, me save him as.
I know so him man name B.
Okay, I don't say name, but I number that. Just call him.
How you press?
Just press this and then now you go in a contact and then now you just press the green button. Me I go down the road, go buy something and come back.
Alright.
Don't drop it, you know.
No man, me not drop him man. Hold it tight B. Mikey cousin. So when for my cousin change his name? No Marcus name. Yo, cuz. Want to come check me now? Me have a surprise for you. And you owe me too. Remember you have money, you know. Yo, link me now. Ass up. Yo, you hang up, bro. Hang up, cuz. Me know I don't have for credit card. Me don't know if you hang up, you know. You still there? Cuz. Yeah, me I tell us if you hang up your phone, me know I don't have my woman credit. Alright, cuz. Well, a phone a good car, me know I drop you, you know. And what kind of phone this? Yo, me not trust them 3 circle there, you know. And if a police ain't ever watch people through them 3 circle there. Yeah, babe.
Pass my phone, give me. Push it through your window. Thanks. Yeah, hello. Yeah, girl. Girl, me have something important to tell me. No, you're gonna love this. Where they? Alright then. Here what you do. Meet me up at Maya cash pot shop cause me go shop too, so meet me then now. Make sure you not go around me no girl. Yeah, me I come right now. Alright.
Listen, you too special to get overlooked. If you were first class, you'd get overbooked. Don't let them take away your shine, girl, you got me shook. Cause I can see the way you grind, that's a good look. She said she like my tattoos, I said I like them too. Do you got any tats? She said yeah, I got a few. Then she pulls her pants down and says, this one's brand new, tell me what you think. I said, that's a good view. Goddamn, pearly white teeth, put your money where your mouth at. She look like a filter from the bitches on the steps.
Girl, ko lang married pa yo. Anyways, we need to talk.
Yeah, much nice there, so come on, so.
Girl, say. You want me, no?
Talk, no man. Watch people
You
that
want
come
me?
back and so they're nice. Me tell you, man. Talk.
You know watch them people. Anyways. You see Mikey cousin? I talk to Mikey about it and tell him if he set the link with you and him cousin.
Girl, make I do that, girl, eh?
What you mean by?
How you have to do that?
No, say like it, boy.
Listen up, girl, me I tell you, so hold on, you make people like, you make them feel like say me I walk and look man
Oh,
now.
yeah, idiot. After never you go to him, boy.
Michael! Yo, cuz forward no man, and I see gate open.
Watch out, no man, you have to come pull the gate now, so me do my thing, you know. I'm not just barging on people place.
Yo, I'm responsive over here, say you know, cuz.
You know, easy, no boy. Fly over gate, man. So you see I go on now.
Hold a seat now, cuz.
Eh? That's alright, good man.
Cuz, I am move so shy.
No, so I'm not shy. You see, me teeth, me tell you where shy I mean.
No, you're not easy, you know, man, cuz. You go on like say, yo, I'm here one you can't read and here one you can't read. Oh, I'm to your cuz, man.
That good, man. You see I go on now.
What me I say I know, you see Lexi Fred now.
Yeah.
Want line you up on her.
Yeah. Which friend that? You look up brown and me and say she walk with her.
Yes, cuz, you see him one day.
Oh, me know her, me no really know her now, but me always see them apart together and so on.
Yeah, man, me want line you up on her cause she don't have no money, you know.
Yeah.
And me want to forget her, so when we didn't know it, I fool her in, I said, circle. Remember say I'm my best cousin, you know.
That's me. But wait, like, I seen when you turn such a girl, so I'm boss you a little bit, yeah,
Don't
mash up
worry
the place
yourself,
and
cuz,
all,
man.
give me girl and then something there.
Remember say we are born girls, you know, not because we can't read and write, you know.
You look at the back door.
Can't say we never boss you, you know, cuz.
I say you go, you have to
me I
boss
do
each
that,
other,
you know.
Me know say you do that, man. Me believe in you, you know, as well you believe in yourself. But it's a good look, say, so
Yeah.
mom's there.
Which moms?
Feel, man.
You know, come on me hard for ask me about my woman. No, never you do that, cuz. Me have to run you out.
Watch out, man. Relax, man.
Want to exchange number. One of them day, me will call you up here when she there. I want to exchange number.
Yeah, man, you just do
You know for exchange number?
Watch out, man. I'm a teacher, you teach me. Relax yourself, man.
Oh.
You must know for exchange. No me teach you for exchange. You, man.
Yeah, cause want to put fear number in a fear phone. And fear number in a fear phone.
Yeah, man.
And
yeah,
the two on the text on WhatsApp.
WhatsApp, man. WhatsApp.
Oh, WhatsApp.
I feel like you want to teach me so. But you don't cause. But anyways, it's a good.
Yo, cuz, You know, say my woman gave a new name a while ago.
What kind of name that?
Mikey Cuz. Are that the for your birth paper, Cuz?
No, sir, Marcus upon bird paper. But watch out now, cuz. You see, true, your name Michael, she cut it short, you see me, and say Mikey. And true, me your cousin, Mikey Cuz.
Oh! Come here, I wonder how make she get that they eat that name there, no, Cuz.
No, sir, not my name, man. But anyways, tell me more about the girl, and I girl we are talking about anyway, no.
Oh, you know, say.
Anyways, I left him down there. I do the right. Say see later, I go call you and confirm me. And you know the rest go.
You know easy though, Lexi. You know easy in a girl.
Girl, you look good.
Oh, thank you.
How will you buy this more by while?
I buy a soft girl, like.
Come, girl.
Girl,
I shop me
come
coming
in
out.
out of my
I
back.
shop me coming and I come waste my
So
time.
come on, now me I go see you there go there, so me there go back there. So come on, man.
So, later. How will you go?
Cuz me not sure really know about the girl, you know, but me see her 2 times.
Yeah.
But cuz you no need to know nothing about the girl like that.
Also, no. I know say things work, I don't really want to go just take up a girl like that, you know. I see her, but I don't really know how she stay. You see me? I want to know if she educated like me, because I'm an educated man, I want a girl educated. You see me? She fi have knowledge. You see me? She fi bright, smart girl, you see me? So that me didn't want to know about her and something.
You hear me I go do, cuz? I go line up a meeting right or so.
Yeah.
With female woman and the girl and you. She gonna shop me, see when she come back from shop, I go line you up. You work tomorrow?
No, you know, something I work tomorrow, I work a little more though. But me off tomorrow, me day off.
I get a call from a woman and call you tomorrow.
Alright then, do that. Come here, depend for me black.
Alright.
So that's what you want to tell me today?
Yeah, cuz.
Alright, you know, I'm going to go make some, some rundown or something. But anyways, thanks for your look out for me, you know.
Then cuz, I don't have to look out for you. A man like you will teach me for read, bro. Remember say you teach me for read, you know, cuz. I have to look out for you.
Yeah, man, a real thing, man. But me just glad how you get through with your thing and you help me with few things.
I have to help you up, man, and if a boy ever ramp with you, all cuz me thump out an next boy teeth for you.
You know, easy, no, but what you know? You know, I really do that right now. You see me now, you thump out nobody teeth, because I want you to learn free it fully and look at nice work, you see me? I don't want you dirty up your record and things like you stay up on the positive side, you see me? Anyways, me go down and that thing, you see me? You do me thing. You know?
Come on.
You know if you do your thing still.
Yo, cuz.
Yo,
I want
man.
to peel out my thing tomorrow, you know.
No, sir.
You know, shy, you know. I want to forward tomorrow, your shoulder off is straight, so.
Hey, I will teach you that. That's it, you know, you. Look up yourself. Now look a bit.
Yo, be what time your friend are forward?
Me would have to call her. She no call me yet.
Call her, dial the number when I chat to you. I chat to my cousin.
Alright.
Yo, cuz, rope it.
Give me phone with my call my friend now. My call. Yeah, hello? Yeah, Pinky. Yeah, I'm there, I can't come now. Yeah, I'm there outside, I wait for you. What you mean by where you have to come for? Man, link up yesterday and talk about this girl. You know, so look like your brain a glitch. So if you remember, you know, remember do. Yeah, I wait for you. Yeah. Alright. She a come.
I hope it was no pill without in a bill.
So we all leave Mr. Hard for?
Cool, just cool, man.
Yeah, girl, muggle girl. Muggly or muggling?
Girl, just always left a little zinc fence up in so. Just left a little all zinc fence.
Like how all of us supposed to come through. You don't feel like you want to fix it. You finally reach.
I mean, man. Hi, handsome.
Babe, be a ladies gentleman.
What do you mean by be a ladies gentleman?
Get up and get a chair.
Oh, say no just true I said that babe. Get up and get a chair. Yeah, girl now back up. Easy back till my friend come here.
What's your problem?
Boy. So your man don't know what be a ladies gentleman mean.
My man is a gimmicks man. If you follow him, he take your spinner, he know what he mean. He just want to make a fun of himself and he know say he not funny right now.
Let go that. Have your spin so.
Yeah, him to spin me. Let go that. The boy, the new year coming a girl. I say you come out.
Yes, girl. Yes, girl.
Hello.
Hello?
Which part of my cousin there?
You know what them sit down there on the house?
Oh, me do a gate or so.
Oh yeah, the gate so they can come in.
Alright then.
Ah.
Hi.
Hi, good
Hello.
evening.
Good evening. What's up?
There. Your cousin is around the back.
Oh, okay.
May I call him here?
Yeah man, do that.
Alright.
Hi.
Wow, cause a rich man.
Oh, go on.
Pinky. This is my cousin. My best cousin. He is so rich and famous, educated boy. Very educated. This man, you see here, he build roads and bridges. Cashy. See that no cause I'm also, you know, say a fimi yard. So you're good, cuz?
Yeah man, me.
Pinky, you're good? My wife will go back run her back, so I left it to her now alone. But watch her, this is where I want to reach in life, my cousin.
You go on, you know. Anyways, my name is Marcus Graham. How about you?
My name is Pinky. Nice to meet you.
That's a lovely name, you know.
Thank you.
Anyways, I don't know if you know me, but I always about the place here with Milko. Cause I go and
Your
eat
future
back
like a psychic. Baby, you gon' end up right in my bed. Chemistry is science. I could play it cool.
lucky gate, babes?
Yeah, man, me did lucky, man.
Oh. Yes, nice.
Oh, me, man, babes. I don't say place have been nice. Sunset nice, though. Yeah. But they're nice, I'm gonna buy one next trip. Put over your set.
Go buy one next set.
Yeah, like, put it up on the road front.
Yeah, you can fill out.
Yeah, but you
Come
know,
straight around.
you know, so me alone now go really do this because I get it community, you know. I go check with the rest of community and see where they end up on, you know.
Oh,
Put
okay.
together, but I mean, I go spend the most money on it still.
Okay. Babes. So from me too, I just wanna feel like that girl.
Oh, come on, man, babes, you are that girl, you understand?
You just make me comfortable. Anything more want to get it. So I'm just very appreciated, right?
I'm not sure, bro. I know like that, you know. I got you about the sun, I have to tell what.
Yeah.
So, babe, why you never make me go to a different restaurant?
Babe, remember say my auntie places, you know. And I rather some more of it spending money in the family. Remember say your family in a bit?
Well, that's true.
Yeah.
That's true. I never did think about that, but
Really?
that's true.
You like the food?
Yeah, I don't know about that, you know, about the chicken. Yeah, you can't go on.
Yeah, man, auntie bad.
Hello.
Hello.
Girl, say you don't remember me no more. Me not in your thoughts no more. You not pop up on me no more. How long me not see you?
No, girl, it's nothing like that.
So, listen, don't piss me off. What kind of twanging? Girl, talk to me normal. Me know what you say, no? From uno buy house up a Vista Bling and everybody just draw one side.
Hello. It's no, it's something else. Anyways, never come check here.
Me other wait pan you. Could you boy give me correction?
Yeah, we have a lot of things to talk about right now. So I'm on my way. Okay.
Me hear you.
Yeah, look so. Just space out so. Like an alien them all are reason.
We have a problem.
What kind of problem?
You don't think you want go in a one different environment. Like, you're not tired of so like, you want to go somewhere more gated. You don't feel so?
So how we are gonna get to go somewhere gated?
I'm not tell you how we are going to do it. Just sell everything where you have and use the money and buy one house.
But what me have?
Yes.
You put me up.
Sell the goat them and the cow them. What you mean by what you have?
You feel say, then the little goat that me have can sell and buy gated house.
They no more say no cow expensive.
But wait, I don't know cause the lifestyle you have bring. Them and they're well rich, you know.
No be a mad, me look bad mind here. Not like
oh, the better.
Me just tired of you
Them and they buy a gold spoon, you know. A sanitary spoon me born with, you know.
No be, me just tired of you so like more go somewhere more nicer, more gated. You hear it chuckling night time when me asleep all the zinc a vibrate. Me not like them the style them, me tired of it. You don't think you're tired of it?
Tired of it too, cause it was like I put up. But one day man, things so alright be.
Yes. Pinky said she can't link me.
Yeah, you're a friend. Anyways, me I go to sleep cause then go out there when me tired out. Then stress me all day today, be, so me I go to sleep.
Pinky's a lucky girl. That's all me know.
Lexi! You don't change the zinc fans! What's up? What's up?
Nothing.
Hmm?
Nothing.
So why you looking like that?
Nothing. Me just there, you know.
Anyways,
You know, say I want to work. Me there I go look more.
okay, that's nice. That's very nice. You know, so a while ago, I just come off the road with my boo. Him say one carry me go to top restaurant, but we tell him, so listen, I could go to my auntie restaurant, down at Auntie Cheryl. You understand? So, I don't know go. Cause girl, I'm tired of the restaurant them. I'm tired of them. I be a top restaurant, me I go, me just, you know. But, you see, you're gonna look for work. Yeah. Well, my man know want me for work. My man say me a chandelier. I don't work none, so him ask me, so what kind of business I want to do? I'm tell him, say, I do a restaurant. So, what do you? Yeah, so anyways now, so me I say, I make Auntie Cheryl cook for me. And split money for me and her. So that I want good business though. But anyways, girl, guess I'm coming to tell her now. It's the next month. I go on a vacation to Bahamas. Girl, Lexi, you don't happy for me?
Me happy for you. Bad.
Oh, I see. Wow.
So, girl, what you say? They can make me come with you.
My friend. Why? I don't think that can work, you know. Sorry, but I really think that can work. Yeah. You see, this vacation, I know, I just me and my boo. You understand? You know, so sometimes some man love them personal space, right? So, I don't think this can work. I'm sorry.
Oh.
Yeah, me would have want to carry, yes, but
No money good.
you know. Okay. I can lose a pound though.
Right. There's a problem with it?
Hi, princess. B.
You're not going over here.
Yeah. Look
Yeah,
how.
well, Mr. Tight.
Look how I'm soon come back.
Why? Few months handsome. Never change, eh?
You can't satisfy. Sophia Sharpman not handsome.
Yeah.
Why you always admire me, man? Me not like you. Cut out it.
Very real, laddie.
Cut it. You feel like so me no know say you like me, man?
Girl, where that come from? Me a friend, girl. I feel like a man. Girl, just chill, girl, chill. Listen, you know, me not want a happy relationship, you know. Me not have time for your man, girl. Just relax.
Happy for you.
Yeah, me know. Happy for myself too. Very.
Anyways, me I cook man dinner.
Okay, alright, come here, left look. I don't want my baby start worrying himself, I know about me, so Later, Lexi. Girl, we need to fix this zinc fence. Hello, honey. Send the taxi for me now, please. Yes. All right, love ya.
Energy is fire. Conversation is right. If you stay tonight, baby, I might let you say, oh, I'll be. Want you here, need your mind in the sheets. Come with me.
I'll go on the farm, go look on the goat, you know. To come back.
Yeah, me did always want more you do something for me. More you go up on my uncle for me. Go making you some ground food for me, because when he promised me, me not get the time to go.
So far, you want me to be?
Yeah, me I give here.
Yeah, me can't manage to go so far right now.
Yeah, see money here, me I give here if you take taxi go. Please no. But if you cook, if you not go home, me I go cook.
Yeah, but I wait in the evening, me I come back to you know.
Yeah, alright, no problem.
About 1, 2 o'clock or probably 3 o'clock.
No problem.
Alright.
Hello? Yeah, I'm Mikey girlfriend. Nothing me there. You can come up here, come do something for me please, cause him not there and him now come back for now. Me can't screw the hose pan the gas tank.
Oh, so I'm so going to help you fix it.
Yeah, please. Right now, you know, cause him now come back for now, him gone far.
Alright then, me draw some clothes and come over there right now.
Alright then, thanks.
Alright.
Yeah. Who that?
I mean, Marcus.
Oh, come now. Come now, what you afraid of?
Energy is fire. Conversation is right. If you stay tonight, baby, I might let you say, oh, I'll be. Want you here, need your mind in these sheets. Completely intertwined in our minds, yeah. Tell your future like a psychic. Baby, you gon' end up right in my bed.
Me I take time. Me I take time.
Anyways, now me current go up on the road go deal with some business cause my brother order 3 goat. You know me have to go sell them now. You can buy up the baby things them cause the baby will soon born they know.
Well, it's soon, but not soon.
Well, me no want hear more soon. I want to make sure say me have the money and buy up the things them.
Right.
So me soon come back.
Yeah.
Take care of yourself, you know.
Yeah. Hello? Yeah, good evening. Me did go a clinic, you know, and do ultrasound, you know. Yeah, alright.
Okay then, so baby good.
Yeah, baby, alright. But me not really want call you certain time, cause remember say I am Pinky live and me not really want mash up nothing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but me want some money now to buy something for you, baby.
So, but I have to carry money come to you.
Yeah, you can carry money come. Like how him not there here, but you have to come now, you know.
Alright then, me come now.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
Serious. No, me have to cut. Me can't really stay at home because I don't want to my cousin come forward and see me. You see me?
Be nice and spend 120 minutes. What with you?
I like it, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm running away, yeah, yeah. I like it, yeah, yeah, yeah. Creation is coming alive.
Mm-hmm.
If I'm being honest, loving you the hardest thing to do, so I keep to myself. I feel like I'm falling in and out of consciousness. Yeah. Now we starting to talk, let's kill another progress. Really hard to process. You treat me like an object, baby. We toxic. Can we stay on topic? I feel like we lost it.
Oh, my man glass of there, so. What going?
Yeah.
You good?
Mm-hmm.
What Marcus glass of do there, so?
Me couldn't know that. Me never there. Almost him and Mikey did there. I mean, come here, come see Mikey, so I don't know. Probably. Oh, me hear Mikey are saying it fi come check him, so probably then come. Me just a come off a road.
Mm.
No come here, come see nobody.
Oh, anyways. Then glass are very expensive. Test glass. But sorry, maybe I drop it up on him not realize. yes, girl. See a long time, you know, see her and me a kiss me mama neck back. No, sir. No, man. So you big old belly girl. And you not call me and tell me that say me your friend not even one little text.
No Wi-Fi. You don't feel like you want to pay my bill, Mr. Rich Kid. Anyways, you want to be baby godmother?
Then I who fi be the baby godmother? That must me.
That me a talk
I
about.
could have never know other else somebody you want other fi be pitney god. Hey, let me tell you no play with me, no
I
Lexi.
don't play with you.
Oh.
Remember you're rich, you know?
Oh.
So you're not going to get one for rich man.
Who me? Girl, you know that. Anytime,
Girl, talk to me.
anytime it comes, it comes. Me nah rush no baby girl.
Me never rush this. Just
Eh?
me not call him this. Me never rush my belly. You just come.
Can't believe. How we that cat? Liquor.
Mikey.
Eh?
Little Mikey.
Liquor Mikey. Well, I'm happy for you, girl. Me happy for you. So Mikey there.
Me no come here come see nobody. Me never tell her say you cousin did for country. Me no know when they.
Okay. But girl, right now you make me feel like one carry little Marcus.
I thought if you do, you man rich. The man want pick me.
Oh, you know worry about that man, it go happen. God know my friend, it go happen. But me can't, no man, me say me can't believe.
That happy for me.
Yeah, the face get fat.
What do you come at me? Come at me know say me lose couple pounds. Talk to me now.
Yes. Me have to give you your props and you put on back weight.
Right.
And your face get fat.
Nice. So where you come over for?
Eh?
Where?
So me can't come look for my friend again.
Me no say not. Me dey think I suck me, you know.
So where do you want me to carry money come get? You dey check your account?
You send me money?
I check you know say I'm papi sure. You not check your account?
No, me not check me account kind of Wi-Fi no there. But me can't.
Okay, me forgot say now no Wi-Fi no. Me send 30,000 per your card.
A joke you make.
When me buy a joke me I make. Me send 30,000 girl.
So me can't spend it for the baby.
Anything I want to spend it do. Because me I go also get my things them. For my God. I want girl me want you. No. One boy me want you get.
Right.
So you see me godson.
Father want.
A boy father want.
Then must.
And a boy me want you forget. So me I go start buy beer. Boy clothes. Me I go buy all. You know I carry them going when they reach
3.
1. No, not even 1. 2, 1 I got 3. Me I go make sure say buy and put it down.
Buy one Benz one.
Yes, girl. Me I make sure say buy 2-seated one. Say no say me over here so. Him over here so. You over there so. You pick me over there so. And then Papa can on the next side too. Anyways. Me I can't take me leave and now here.
And taxi money.
Yeah man, my friend. Just take care and take care of the little one. Later, here, Gally. Why? Me say I know me can't tap look. No, sir.
Like it. You look
Just,
good though.
Yeah. Watch out now. Next thing too. You realize me say the 30,000 there, see? Me want you buy one proper sitting there, so for this. Me can't bother this thing. It's that's how me irritate me eyesight every minute.
You see me
Yeah.
you now tell me about fence and gate. Think it do.
My friend, me know why you drop and lick up in a no zinc. Anyways, me will call you. Take care of yourself.
Yeah, I believe so the man left him glass. What kind of cross is this?
Yeah, me, I want him. I want him.
Me head water break.
Dig, hurry up, maybe go look for a taxi. Hold on, put her on my shoulder. Go want a taxi. Dial my cousin number. Hurry up, fast, Abby.
Me can't. Yeah, it's cousin of my man.
But me remember say me can't go sign the paper. Me going. Alright, never mind. Take time. Oh, me I go sign the paper though, God. A shame this, you know. I wonder if me can make my cousin sign it for me. Boy, me I tell you out. Who that? Oh, are you?
Yeah. Me here say, Lexi take in.
Yeah.
From which hospital?
So, no one hospital we have pink in our place.
Oh, I tell you, to me so excited me that go to. But please, so you know say, me can't lay down in there. Me feel bad.
Well, as me I try make you know, say your friend plays still, but dude, I feel a way for me to come lie down in the car. I respond in bed and know if we go over hospital, go visit my baby mother soon.
No, I'm not wrong. Me can't lay down side there. Me feel so bad, man. Fan in there. Me feel like me I go faint. Me really need to lay down.
One fan in there, yes. You know what? That's the truth. Yeah, I'm be a mother friend like that, close friend. I make it take a fight. But I don't feel long do, you know. I don't take it as a habit. God is the greatest, man. Look for me out, man. I never know something that'll get me out so early, you know. Jaja, my cousin used to tell me, say, I'm going to fuss me, you know. So I fuss him then now.
Baby, alright, so.
But B, I ask you one question. When I use protection, you still can't get pregnant, cause I did say I don't want to get pregnant because through things slow and nothing and go on.
What kind of idiot question?
Don't be like that.
What kind of idiot question you ask me? You know, most can get girl pregnant in a protection. Protection is a 50-50 chance. Yes, it can happen. So what you try to say?
Oh yes, that's true, because when I used to go to school back in a grade 3, teacher used to tell me same thing to as well tell me say.
Use a brain, man. Come in and what kind of foolish she say ask me. Listen, you know say from one of you know say me have to go send a Jamal evening class. Me have to go send a Jamal school, you know. Make you get it back. Anything where you never get it, get it. Me I go look one work and send a go to school. 2 baby me have now. A joke, man.
You can't run some joke with me, Nabi.
Yeah, so me friend with.
I run them the serious joke there with.
Girl, look how long me there say wait for you and you carry your belly out just in a night now.
You know, say, Marcus, me I look for door. Cause me I call him and me not get him from there.
So him fi go and lift you and you have the belly. You know there.
Right now, I'm worried about him. I worry a lot right now about him because I don't like saying about this before, you know, he never missing up for me so much.
You probably will soon come, but anyways, me I will bring you baby because I must get on the place and get dark.
Alright.
Could be your alpha, could be your Romeo. Tell them boys back up, I ain't going nowhere. I'ma for that back up, put it on your story so all your friends see it, everyone can see it. And we going and going and going, it's a good night. Baby, let it roll like the good times, smoking and pouring and focused on it. You can see it.
Check out the top baller here, people. He's a student at Calabar. Yeah, man, him a put in some serious work. Look out for him, you know. Marlo Benin, Jamaica next top baller. Yeah, man, I am that man. Skillful youth. Check him out, people.
I could be your alpha, I could be your Romeo. Tell them boys back up, I ain't going nowhere. I'ma for that back up, put it on your story so all your friends see it, everyone can see it. And we going and going and going, it's a good night. Baby, let it roll like the good times. Smoking and blowing.
So up next on our list, Maggy Nation, we have Chandan and Sons. They are presenting a party called Independence, Soca and Dancehall. You know, a whole heap of vibes I got there, whole heap of vibe. And that will be held on the 6th of August, which is Independence Day. Yeah, man, so come out, make it a date. Don't be late. A whole heap of bad DJ I got there, you know. See them there on the screen. Yeah, man, Paga Rudy, Mackie and Gemini and Berry are some of the top DJ them in the Westmoreland. Yeah, man. So, as I say, make it a date and don't be late. Right at Chandan Supermarket, Little London. Admission free. Make sure you come out, come enjoy yourself. Big up on yourself, Maggy Nation. That's it for now.
Hold on, go on, like son, you know, subscribe up. No, for when me telling me say subscribe, it's a joking thing with that one. My son. I train a age, but me not run down, you know. Okay, boy. Now yourself, mama, so. Now, yo, you. What's on here? They subscribe to Maggy Films already? No. No? Where's the no? No. No, you said what? No, you said why?
Maggy.